everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty, delicious, quick and easy garlic bread recipe. You can use any bread and I'm using French bread. The other ingredients we need: garlic. You can use fresh garlic or frozen garlic. Butter. This is unsalted butter. Parsley flakes, and then we're going to use red chili flakes. We're going to mash it really well. So once it's nicely mashed, that's all we need. Garlic is nicely mashed. This is how it looks, and I will pull this one out in a separate bowl. So this one looks really nice. If you have a chopper, you can use that. Please keep the butter on a room temperature. If you are taking it out of fridge, then you can put it in a microwave for like a 20 seconds, and that will be perfect. Salt to taste. As I mentioned, this butter is unsalted. Red chili flakes. If you don't have a parsley flake, you can use cilantro as well. Now we're going to combine it well. This is a good idea to keep butter at room temperature, so it's easy to mix it. This is nicely combined. So we're going to cut it about half inch. This will be the perfect size. So I'm going to keep cutting the bread same way. This is what we're going to do. Good amount of full layer, spread it evenly, just like this. And then we're going to turn it over and put some on this side as well. This is perfect. I will show you one more. Turn it over. And I'm going to finish up the same way. I'll take this one to our gas and I'll show you how it's easy to make it on pan. Keep the gas on really low. Place the pan. You want to make your garlic bread on a low gas. Once it's going to start cooking on a slow gas, then garlic will be nicely cooked. So now we're going to cook them for 2 minutes. Cooking on a low gas for 2 minutes, it's a good indication that on the top side, if you notice that the butter start to melt all the way. So now we're going to turn these over and look at this. All the garlic is nicely cooked. It's a beautiful color. So we're going to cook on this side also on 2 minutes. Now on a low heat, we're going to cook 2 minutes on this side. Another 2 minutes of cooking. Look at this. Very delicious. You see, this one is nicely done. I'm going to pull these all out and then I'll put the other ones. This is so easy to make and this is super delicious. I'll place the second batch and we'll do the same thing. 2 minutes on this side and 2 minutes on that side. And let me share with you. As you've seen it, it's so easy and simple to make garlic bread in pan. Please try it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.